Here, may your today be healthier. May your day be more peaceful. May your tomorrow be more beautiful. There is a company that thinks about a better world. A company that benefits the world and makes everyday life peaceful. Korea's #1 healthcare company, HP&C. HP&C has a history of remarkable growth. Since its founding in 1993, HP&C has put its customers' health and beauty as the best value. As a global leader in the fields of pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and cosmetics, we are jumping up to be a global company that leads K-health beauty technology. HP&C is recognized for its excellent quality and process efficiency through GMP and ISO certification that meet international standards, a corporate research center, and certification as one of the top 3 innovative companies. Through numerous awards, HP&C is proving that it is a global company with international competitiveness. HP&CN has technology for people and challenges for health and beauty. Top-level researchers in each field of state-of-the-art research production facilities, developing new materials and technologies that have never existed in the world based on scientific data, manufacturing safe and non-irritating products through optimal prescriptions. This is why HP&C exists. HP&C always responds with trust and proves itself with perfect products. The best products and services provided based on the smart automation equipment system that meets global standards. Based on a strict quality management system that puts customer safety first, we are building unwavering trust through customization strategies tailored to customer needs. HP&C's future is heading to a higher place. As well as strong partnerships based on domestic university hospitals through a global network beyond Korea, HP&C is leaping forward to become a global company leading the K-health beauty market.
안녕하세요. 저는 HP&C 대표이사 김홍숙입니다. HP&C는 글로벌 베스트 스킨 헬스케어 컴퍼니를 비전으로 고객의 건강과 아름다움을 추구합니다. 감염관리 분야인 의약품, 의약외품, 소독제, 의료기기, 화장품을 생산 판매하는 전문회사로 탄탄한 자체 연구력과 우수한 품질의 제품만을 엄선하여 고객에게 제공하고 있습니다. 고객의 신뢰를 최우선으로 하는 세계 속의 헬스케어 기업으로 나아가고자 합니다.
HP&C connects your daily life closest to you. Face a bigger world. Challenged to bring about healthy changes in your life. So, HP&C's journey to create a beautiful world continues today. In your happy daily life, in your healthy life, HP&C is with you.